Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where you can learn more about web programming and many computer related tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn to create our first module and use it on our script. Before doing this, we need to know what is Node.js. Node.js is a free open source cross-platform application and can be used as server outside of the browser. It is made with C++, C and JavaScript. Now we need to know how Node.js works. At first, Node.js sends the task to the computer file system, then ready to handle next request. When the file system has opened and read the file, the server returns the content to the client. Node.js eliminates the waiting and simply continues with the next request. So we need to create a module here by we are in a desktop and node folder, and you can create a node folder for yourself, and also you can create something which is very convenient for you. And now we need to create a file that is vim my first module.js, and here we need to type export then dot my date time equal to function return uh, new date. And this is our first module we can create here, and we are opening a new tab, and then we are just need to write another script that is demo, or we can use export module.js. And now we need to create a variable http and importing a new module that is http, and another variable that is dt equal to require our module that is my first module.js. And I have used this dot symbol and a front slash before my first module.js because this my first module is same folder. I'm just writing on export module.js. And now we need to create a server. Create server and console.log listening to 127.0.0.1 80. We need to use 8080 and create server function, and inside the function we just need to use request result, two argument, and result dot write head that is going to be 200. We're going to use the object content type that is text HTML, and then res.write the current time and date is plus dt dot my, and let's see if we again a res dot end. Let's see if this is works or not, and need to save this file and note export module.js and hit enter, and it says something error that is function exports require module file name exports my date function unexpected token export, and need to see if what this problem arises here. Okay, export dot export, not export, this is exports. My date time function return new date, and again we just need to type this note my export module.chase, and it is listening to 127.0.1. I just need to copy this, and inside our browser just need to paste and go 127.0.0 80 and hit enter. So you can see the current time and date is Sunday, September 30, 2018,